10 eye-saving drinks you should try now. Are you worried about your eyesight? With screen time skyrocketing and modern-day stress taking a toll, our eyes are silently bearing the brunt. Did you know that certain drinks can protect and even enhance your vision? Yes, you heard that right. Stick around because today, we're revealing the 10 eye-saving drinks that will not only improve your eyesight, but could also save you from future vision problems. Drink number 7 is a game changer, combining ancient wisdom with modern nutrition. You don't want to miss it. Did you know over 2.2 billion people worldwide suffer from vision problems? Are you unknowingly putting yourself at risk? Is digital eye strain making your days blurry and your nights miserable? Stay tuned. These drinks might be the relief you need. Are you worried about age-related eye problems like cataracts or macular degeneration? The solution could be as simple as what you sip. Why eye health matters. Your eyes are your window to the world, one of the most powerful and sensitive organs in your body. But think about this. Every day, your eyes are bombarded by harmful blue light from screens, UV rays from the sun, and environmental pollutants. Combine this with poor nutrition, and it's no surprise that vision problems are on the rise. Here's the good news. While you can't always avoid screen time or sunlight, you can provide your eyes with the nutrients they need to stay strong and healthy. Today, we'll explore 10 incredible drinks that are scientifically proven to boost your eye health. These drinks are easy to make, delicious, and packed with the vitamins and antioxidants your eyes crave. The 10 eye-saving drinks. 1. Carrot and orange juice. Let's kick things off with a classic, carrot and orange juice. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, a crucial nutrient for maintaining good vision. Oranges, on the other hand, are packed with vitamin C, which helps prevent oxidative stress and keeps your eye tissues healthy. Did you know? A single glass of carrot orange juice can meet your daily vitamin A needs and provide over 100% of your recommended vitamin C intake. Add a pinch of turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. Recipe idea. Blend fresh carrots, oranges, and a little ginger for a tangy, eye-friendly powerhouse. 2. Spinach and kale green smoothie. Next up is a green smoothie that your eyes will thank you for. Both spinach and kale are loaded with lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that protect your retina from harmful blue light and reduce your risk of macular degeneration. Pro tip: to maximize absorption, pair these greens with healthy fats like avocado or almond butter. Recipe idea: blend a handful of spinach, kale, a banana, almond milk, and a spoonful of almond butter for a creamy, nutrient-packed treat. 3. Blueberry lemonade. Craving something refreshing? Blueberry lemonade is the perfect drink for summer. And your eyes. Blueberries are rich in anthocyanins, compounds that improve blood flow to your retina and combat age-related vision problems. The lemon adds a generous dose of vitamin C for extra eye protection. Sweeten naturally with honey for a healthier twist. Did you know? Blueberries can even help reduce digital eye strain symptoms after long hours in front of screens. Recipe idea: mix freshly squeezed lemon juice with water, a handful of mashed blueberries, and honey for a rejuvenating drink. 4. Golden milk turmeric latte. This drink isn't just for your immune system, it's a savior for your eyes too. The active ingredient in turmeric, curcumin, reduces inflammation and helps prevent dry eyes. When combined with almond or oat milk, golden milk becomes a soothing, nutrient-packed drink that supports your overall health. Why not turn it into a bedtime ritual? A warm glass of golden milk can also improve sleep, which is crucial for eye recovery. Recipe idea: warm almond milk, add a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a pinch of black pepper, and a dash of honey. Stir and enjoy. 5. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is widely known for its skin benefits, but it's also a secret weapon for eye health. Its natural anti-inflammatory properties soothe tired eyes and may even help reduce redness. Pair it with pineapple juice for a tropical flavor boost. Recipe idea: blend aloe vera gel with water, pineapple juice, and a splash of lime for a refreshing, eye-friendly drink. 6. Beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a vibrant addition to your eye health regimen. It's rich in nitrates, which improve blood flow, including to the tiny blood vessels in your eyes. Beetroot also contains lutein and zeaxanthin, essential for maintaining healthy vision. For added flavor, Blend it with apples and ginger. Fun fact, beetroot juice has been shown to improve endurance, making it a great pre-workout drink too. 7. Green tea. This ancient drink has modern-day benefits for your eyes. Green tea is packed with catechins, antioxidants that protect your eyes from oxidative stress and reduce the risk of cataracts. Did you know? Green tea can also reduce puffiness and dark circles around your eyes. For an extra antioxidant punch, opt for matcha. Drink it warm in the morning or chilled as an iced tea for a refreshing twist. 8. Tomato juice. Tomatoes are a treasure trove of lycopene, an antioxidant that protects your eyes from UV damage. They also contain vitamin C and E, both vital for maintaining good eye health. Pro tip: add celery and a dash of black pepper for a savory, eye-boosting drink. 9. Chia seed lemon water. Chia seeds might be tiny, but they're packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce dry eye symptoms and support retinal health. Combined with lemon water, it becomes a hydrating, nutrient-rich drink for your eyes and body. Recipe idea: mix a tablespoon of chia seeds into water, let it sit for 10 minutes, then add fresh lemon juice for a refreshing twist. 10. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate juice is rich in polyphenols, powerful antioxidants that combat inflammation and protect your eyes from oxidative damage. Plus, it's a natural way to stay hydrated, which is critical for preventing dry eyes. Drink it as is, or mix it with sparkling water for a fizzy treat. Bonus tip: the ultimate eye-saving drink. Hack. And now, as promised, here's your bonus tip: a drink that combines multiple eye-saving ingredients into one powerful elixir. Berry Green Super Smoothie. Why settle for just one benefit when you can combine the best? This smoothie is a vision-boosting powerhouse that includes blueberries for their anthocyanins, spinach for lutein, chia seeds for omega-3s, and almond milk for added vitamin E. It's an all-in-one drink that covers every aspect of eye health, from reducing inflammation to protecting against blue light and oxidative damage. How to make it: 1/2 cup of fresh or frozen blueberries, a handful of spinach or kale, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1/2 banana for creaminess, 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Optional: a teaspoon of honey or a pinch of cinnamon for flavor. Pro tip: freeze the ingredients ahead of time for a thick, refreshing smoothie that's perfect for busy mornings or as an afternoon pick-me-up. Why it works: this drink provides a balance of antioxidants, vitamins, and healthy fats, making it an absolute must for anyone serious about preserving their vision. The big picture: why prevention matters. Eye health isn't just about avoiding glasses or contacts, it's about protecting your vision for the long haul. Remember, conditions like macular degeneration, cataracts, and dry eyes often have no warning signs until it's too late. Incorporating these 10 eye-saving drinks into your daily routine can make a world of difference. But don't stop there. Combine these drinks with a balanced diet, regular eye checkups, and proper screen breaks to ensure your eyes stay healthy and sharp. Conclusion: take action today. So, which drink are you most excited to try first? Let me know in the comments below. Share this video with someone who spends hours staring at their phone or computer. They'll thank you for it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more health tips and eye-saving hacks. Remember, your eyes deserve the best, so start sipping your way to better vision today.